In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get my Charles Schwab account number. If you need your account number for direct deposit, linking an external bank, or filling out forms, there are a few simple ways to find it online, in your documents, or with a quick call to support. First, the easiest method is on the Schwab website. Head to the official Charles Schwab site and log in securely. Once you're in, look for the Accounts section and click the specific account you want, like your brokerage or IRA. On the Account Overview page, your account number usually appears near the top left. Schwab brokerage numbers are typically 8 digits, and you might see them formatted with a hyphen, like 12345678. If the number looks partially hidden, check for a small icon or link to reveal full details. Make sure you're looking at the account number and not a routing number or nickname. Another quick place to find it is under Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. After logging in, go to Move Money and select Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. Choose your account from the drop-down. This page lists your account number, your routing number, and direct deposit details you can give to an employer or a benefits provider. Take a moment to verify you're copying the account number correctly. The routing number is for the bank itself, while the account number identifies your specific account. Keep this information private and share it only with trusted institutions. If you prefer documents, you can also find your account number on your statements. It's printed near the top of your monthly statements, tax forms, and welcome documents. If you get e-statements, open your document center after logging in and locate the most recent statement. Once you open it, the account number should be clearly labeled on the first page, typically near your account name and statement date. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that the statement matches the account you're trying to use. And if you still can't find it, reach out to Schwab customer support using the contact information listed on the official website. After they verify your identity, they can help locate your account number. Keep personal details handy to speed things up, but never share your password, full PIN, or any one-time codes with anyone. That's it. Use the website Account Overview for a quick look, the Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit page for formatted details, or your statements for a reliable reference. Stay on the official site, confirm you're in the right account, and keep your information secure.